Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to tackle a common issue many treadmill users face, the E5 error code. This error can be frustrating, but don't worry, we have got you covered. Let's dive into how to diagnose and fix it. First things first, ensure your safety by turning off and unplug your treadmill. This is crucial before you start any repairs. E5 error often relate to the speed sensor and which monitor and the treadmill belt speed. You will typically find the sensor near the front roller of your treadmill. Inspect the sensor for any visible damage or debris. Dust and the dirt can cause the malfunctions, so cleaning it and might resolve the issue. Ensure the sensor is properly connected to a treadmill control board, and a loose or the disconnected wire can trigger the E5 error. If necessary, adjust the sensor position. It should be close enough to magnetic wheel to detect speed accurately but not touching it. Once you have cleaned, check and adjust the sensor, plug the treadmill back in and turn on it. Test to test to see if the E5 error is resolved. If the issue persists, the problem might be more serious. Some treadmills display the E5 error due to a faulty motor and the feedback IC may function. In such case, it's best to contact the main manufacturer's customer support for further assistance. And that's it. Hopefully, this can help you to fix the E5 error on your treadmill. If you have any more question or need further assistance, feel free to have leave a comments below. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more tech related problem solving videos.